G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm gonna make one of my favorite juices to make at home. This is just a celery and cucumber juice. Super simple to make, super nutritious and healthy. That's why I love making it. It makes me feel so rejuvenated every time I drink it. So let's get juicing. This is the best juicer I have found on the market for juicing hard vegetables and greens, especially celery. You know, your single auger vertical juicers, they are not going to do the same job that a Greenstar can when juicing celery. Often the celery strings will get wrapped around the auger, it'll jam up, you've got to reverse it, you've got to clean it out halfway through juicing. Not with the Greenstar. Let's get juicing. Now with the Greenstar, you do require some downward force to push the ingredients into the gears. So we don't recommend this juicer for anyone with weakness in the hands or arthritis. Carrots and beetroots, they're probably harder to push down. The celery is actually pretty easy. Just a bit of downward force. And I've got to let it go through. Wait till I see it clear a little bit. And then I put my next piece in. We're done juicing. That's it. Look at this. I basically just juiced a whole bunch of celery and half a large cucumber. Look at that. You squeeze that all day long, you'll never get out one drop. Beautiful, fresh celery and cucumber juice. I love celery and cucumber juice. It tastes so good. I'm gonna put that on some ice. I'm gonna drink a liter of it. That is the gods talking to me saying, Tommy, drink me. This is the most delicious thing you've ever put in your body. I absolutely love it. Straight celery juice. Some people that aren't used to it, they're not gonna like it. I love the taste. If you want to sweeten it up a bit, that's entirely up to you. Add a few apples in there. If you've got any questions, please hit us up on the comments below. Happy juicing. So these are our old school Raw Blend smoothie bowls, but I use them for my juice now as well. Green is energy, and the celery man's talking to you. Apple man's green is life. Drink me, drink me. What's that, Mr. Apple Man? Drink me. Okay, I will.